Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut PC to create videos easily for setting or just for fun. So anyway, I think CapCut is one of the best apps because we can do everything while editing videos in one app. Alright, so after you downloaded the CapCut apps, so just open and just click um, new project. So you can import, sorry, so you can import your videos, your audios, or photos you want to edit. For example, just go import and select the photo or videos, audios you want to edit, and you're just going to drag to tray to make a clip. Sorry, make a clip. So here you can check out the preview panel, timeline, toolbar picture here. We can doing to display the clip. For example, hit the clip and delete the clip like so, and you can freeze for the video only and reverse for the video only, and you can mirror the clip, rotate the clip, and crop the clip. So you can change for the aspect ratio like here, and I think you can use all the picture from the CapCut. So this audio, text, sticker, effect, transition, filters, adjustment, and you can adjust body position and size, blend the overlay. So you can add the overlay, just put on top another clip like so. So which is this is overlay, and you can blend the overlay. So you can add the animation. You can remove the background from your video or your photo. You can add max and enhance, and yeah, many more you can get in from CapCut. So after you finish editing the video, you can click the export button at top right, and you can change for the title of your video. You can select the place your video exported, and change the resolution, bitrate, frame rate, and etc. And just click export to export the project. Alright, I hope this tips and trick is a simple tips was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.